Okay, so today we are going through the Weather Watch Lapbook. This one is for grade 5 science, and it's got all of these different aspects that are part of the curriculum, plus a weather record over 8 days, so you can keep track of what's happening with the weather. So let's give it a shot. So first thing first is the title page. I'm just going to show you how to fold this. This is our map, so we can remember what goes where. We're just going to put that off to the side and fold our lapbook. Big side first, into the middle. Make sure it lines up along the bottom. And then the second side. And there we go. I'm just gonna brighten this up a little bit so you can make sure you're seeing. And there we go. Okay, so outside in, line up the other side and press it down really good. Then we're gonna open it up and put this on the inside. Line it up around the edges so that you can kind of get it square in there. Fold one side over and draw a line just down the middle like that. And we're gonna cut that and glue it on. Ta-da! Okay, next we're going on the inside, so let's start with our house here in the corner. So we're gonna open this up, and we have our different air movement options. So how does the air move around inside? How does it move around outside? And then we're talking about wind speed and direction. So we're gonna put those all together like so, like that. And then we're just gonna put a little staple here in the side of the house to turn it into a little book. Okay, just a little staple. Just put it up by the window there. Oh, that one's out. Just like that. Okay, now we glue the back down onto the lapbook. Now you've got a little book that you can put your information in for that. Okay, next one is our precipitation. So you've cut all these cards out, you got your questions on them you're gonna fill out. Make sure you line them up so all of your titles show, so tap, tap, tap along the top. A couple staples, staple, staple, and then glue the back down. Okay, next one we've got our sun. We're gonna take these cards, and it has a spot there you can hole punch if you'd like. I only have little tiny paper fasteners, so I'm just gonna use a pin, just like that. Put a little pinhole in there, and then take one of my teeny tiny fasteners and push that through the hole, like that. You can also just staple them if you'd rather do that. Okay, so next we're gonna do the pocket. Fold it along the bottom like that. Fold your side flaps in. Side flaps in. Some glue. I like to stick the cards in just so I make sure everything's fitting properly before I glue them down. Seems to work better that way. Okay, and then you're gonna glue that up over here. Okay, last one we've got for the corners or the sides, we've got our measuring weather. So this one, we're gonna fold like that. You can do better than that. There we go, and then fold the flap over so you can see your thermometer there. And we're gonna stick our cards. We've got humidity, barometric pressure, temperature, and precipitation. We're gonna stick those inside and just staple at the top there. I don't know if you can see. Just staple just like that, so it staples it in. You can still see everything. And then glue on the back. all of these cards here that we've got to put into our preparing for weather envelope. Okay, this one's a little bit tricky. We're gonna start by folding the bottom up along the dotted line. Okay, and then these, you're gonna fold in. Along that first dotted line, you're gonna fold out along the second, and in again along that one. If you wanna use a ruler along here, you can. Sometimes that helps. You can just stick a ruler in on the line so you can just fold it along the line and not have to worry about it. Like that. And then put it along that line and fold it out. I'm so used to doing this without, I didn't do it better without. And then fold it back in again. Okay. Now we're just gonna put glue along that front fold. Okay, so just this one. Don't put glue on everything, just on the front accordion. And then flip this up and glue it right to that front part. Okay. Just like so. Okay, top down. Okay, and then your cards that you've got for the importance of preparing for weather, just slip inside there like that. And then it goes down here on the bottom. If you'd like to cut this, you can with scissors. Just turn your scissors on the side. And cut that, and then this can fit right inside there. Just like that. Okay, next one we've got is our different types of clouds. Okay, so you've got a whole bunch of different types of clouds, and make sure when you line them up you can kind of do this with all of them so that they're in the right order. Okay, and then put the top on, tap it along with the table, staple there, glue it down. Turn this over. You've got your My Progress pocket. This one should probably be done first, because then. Okay, so fold pockets in. Okay. So this is just in case you are halfway through something and you need some more time, or you didn't get it quite cut out or glued in or whatever. You can put it in the pocket on the back and you don't have to worry about losing anything that way. Okay, so that goes there. Now above that goes your record. These are all your record cards. So you're keeping track of weather. So the requirement from the government is that we keep track of different aspects of weather over 8 days. And so here's your pocket to keep track of that. Fold that up. Okay. Now it says over a period of time, so I chose 8 days, just because it gets you through a weekend. Fold that up. Fold that up. Oopsies, I bumped you. Take your cards, pop them in there. Okay, so you can pull out which day you're on, and that goes on the back. Just like so. Here we go.